Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechGetter Official. Today, we're fixing one of the most annoying video playback problems, the MOV video error 0xc00d36c4. If your MOV video shows can't play or crashes with this error code, don't panic. This error usually means your MOV file is corrupted, but the good news is, your video can still be repaired. In this video, I'll show you two powerful methods to fix this error and recover your MOV videos safely. Before I proceed further, let me tell you, the error appears when the video file is damaged or unreadable. This can happen due to sudden system shutdown, incomplete file transfer, damaged storage device, unsupported codec, malware or software crash. But don't worry, your video is not permanently lost. Let's start with the easiest method first. Repairing the MOV file using VLC. VLC Media Player can repair certain types of video corruption, so we'll try that first. Open VLC Media Player. Go to Tools and click on Preferences. Now click on Input/Codecs. Find this option, Damaged or Incomplete AVI File. Change it to Always Fix. After doing this, make a copy of your corrupt MOV file. Rename the copy from .mov to .avi. Try opening the converted video in VLC. If your corruption is minor, VLC will rebuild the index and the video should play again. Method 2. Professional Video Repair, Deep Fix. If VLC couldn't repair your file, it means the corruption is more serious. For more serious repairs, you'll need a dedicated video repair tool. You can use any reliable video repair software, such as 4DDG Video Repair, Stellar Video Repair, Wondershare Repair It. Choose one you trust. These tools fix formats like MOV, MP4, AVI, and more. Install any repair software. Select Video Repair. Add corrupted MOV files. Click Start Repair. Wait for the scan to finish. Preview the repaired video. Export the repaired file to your PC. These tools rebuild broken video headers, frames, audio tracks, and metadata, making even severely damaged MOV files playable again. So friends, this is how you can fix the MOV video error and repair your corrupted files easily. Try VLC first. If the file is badly damaged, then use a professional repair tool. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to TechGetter Official, and share your problem in the comments. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.